Hello, my name is Francisco Javier de la Rosa Mellado. I'm a student of the Master of Secondary Education, the specialty of History. Next, I'm going to explain my Clil lesson plan. I hope it is your liking. In this plan, we are going to cover one of the most important artistic monuments in the world, the Great Wall of China. This unit is divided into two lessons. In the one hand, what do you know? I ask, what do you know of the Wall of China, the Great Wall of China? And in lesson 2, let's put into practice what we have learned in lesson 1. Okay, and now continue with lesson 1. It's divided into 3 parts. The first part, presentation of the didactic unit. We will create a conceptual map. For me, it's very important, the conceptual map. And we will take into account the chronology of the architectural monument. It's important that a student take notes, because then continue with lesson 2. But now, second part in the lesson 1, we will ask some questions about China. It's important to focus the objective. We have only one objective: the Great Wall of China, the chronology, the maps, and the architectural. In the third part, use of the new technology. Therefore, a student must answer their question by searching for them on the internet. Now, it's very important, and all students need internet. Okay, in the lesson 2, continue with lesson 2. In this lesson, the more important is the practice. In the part 1, will also be divided into 3 parts. In the first part, we will refresh the latest idea with some question to the student. Can you tell me something about the wall? Or can you tell me something about the Chinese people? In the second part, we will work vocabulary. Match the word with the pictures. After, they going to check answer in internet. For example, the vocabulary is brick, coast, dragon, soldiers, river, gate, or wall. In the third part, we will work reading. Do an internet search for the Great Wall of China and complete the table below. Chinese name, English, translation, age, first wall built by, made of, can you see it from the moon? You get a very good view of the wall. The wall meets the sea at. Okay, thank you very much. I hope it was to your liking. See you soon and thanks.